Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another short tricks to multiply numbers very quickly in the mind. Yes, mental mathematics tricks, they are used to calculate 10 times faster, and you need to be really smart with numbers if you want to crack the competitive exams and do all those basic calculations really quickly. So friends, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to multiply some special numbers which are ending in 3. Yes, the numbers which we are going to multiply, both the numbers are going to end in 3. And you will see how Vedic maths will help you a great deal in, increasing your speed of multiplying the numbers, and obviously the higher calculations also become so easy when you are good in your basic calculations. So before I get into the technical details of the trick, let me just tell you that if you want the compilation of all these tricks, which I have been posting on the channel, you need to go for this amazing short tricks for quantitative aptitude ebook. And look at the number of exams it targets. Whether you are a school student or a college student or anybody who is preparing for government competitive exams, this short trick ebook is for you. It is one of its kind ebook, and it contains 24 different chapters covering over 300 short tricks, and obviously 10 times faster calculation speed is targeted. It comes with the reasoning course combo, and 18 chapters covered in that also, and we have some videos also in the reasoning course. So what are you waiting for? Send me a message on WhatsApp. Here is the WhatsApp number 9896369963 now. Right friends, so here is the trick, and here we have some special numbers which I am going to take up, and all these numbers are going to end in 3. So the first example which I am taking up is that of 43 times 93. Now look at these two numbers, 43 and 93. The unit digits are obviously 3 and 3, right? So apart from the 3's, you have 4 here and 9 here. So you will be doing 4 times 9 on the left and 3 times 3, that is 9 on the right. In the middle, because it is ending in 3, so you will be doing 3 times something. And what is that something? The sum of 4 and 9, that is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. So what is the trick here? Product of the numbers other than the 3's. Then 3 times the sum s and then the 9. Now this is the trick which I am going to use in the video, and I am going to show you how big numbers can also be multiplied like this. So 9 4s are 36, and then we have 13 3s are 39, and then 9. So retain the 9 in the answer. 39 means 9 in the answer, and 3 gets carried forward. So 36 plus 3 is 39, and here is your answer for the question. 43 times 93 is 3999. You can pick up the calculators and check and apply it to bigger numbers as well. Let's take an example of 73, a 2-digit number, and maybe a 123, which is a 3-digit number, and you will see the trick still works. Here we have 7 apart from the 3. Here you have 12 apart from the 3. So I am going to do 7 into 12, and then I am going to do 3 times 7 plus 12, the sum, and finally we have the 9. So 12 7s are 84, and then this is 19, 3s are 57, and then the 9. So the 9 is retained, 57 means 7 retained, 5 gets carried forward, so 84 plus 5 is 89, and see, now the speed of calculation has doubled, because I am not explaining all the steps. Once you are aware of the steps, you can certainly work on your speed also. Likewise, 2 digit by 2 digit, 2 digit by 3 digit. How about taking big numbers? Okay, let's take one more example of a 2 digit by 3 digit, so that we are more comfortable with the application part of the trick. Okay, so let's take 83 and 173. Now there is 8 and 17 here, so 17 times 8. This is what I need to do first. 8 7s are 56, and then 13, right? 136. So I have to write 136, and then 3 times what? The sum of 8 and 17, which is 25, and finally the 9. So 136, then 75, and then 9. So 9, 5 and the 7 gets added to 136, makes it 143. And now check using the calculator. 83 times 173 is that 14359, and you will be really surprised that the answers are very accurate. Now see how much time did this calculation take. I think 30 to 40 seconds, right? And it's in itself, it is an amazing speed of calculations, and it saves you the risk of making mistakes in the traditional multiplication. So let's apply this to some bigger numbers. Let's have a question where we have a 3-digit number like 163, and I want to multiply that by 243. Now I know that I have to do 16 times 24. So I'll be using Vedic maths. 16 and 24. So 6 4s are 24, 4 2 carry. Then cross multiply 12 and 4 16. 16 plus 2 18, 8 1 carry. And then 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3. So we have 384 as the product. Then 3 times what? The sum. 16 plus 24, that's pretty easy, 40. And finally the 9. So we have 384, and then 40 times 3 is 120, and then the 9. So 9, 120 means 0, 12 gets added here. This is 693, and 39609 is the product. Likewise, if you increase the numbers like 363, see now the numbers are getting bigger, and we need to multiply that by 583. So I'll do this, and then I am going to give you a DIY problem. Do it yourself problem. I want you to test yourself also. Okay, follow the steps which I am showing you here. Find the answer to that. Note down the time. Tell me in the comments whether you got the correct answer or not, and how much time did you take to multiply the numbers ending in 3 using this trick. Okay, so before that I need to do this, right? So I have a 36 here and a 58 here, and the first thing I am going to do is to write them here and multiply them using the Vedic maths method of vertically and crosswise. So 8 6 are 48, 8 4 carry. Now this is 24 and this is 30. 24 and 30 is 54. 54 plus 4, 58, 5 carry. And then this is 15 plus 5, 20. So 2088 is the product of 36 and 58. And I will write that as the number on the left. In the middle, 3 times what? 36 plus 58 is 80 and 14, 94. And finally the 9. So 2088, and then 3 4s are, okay, this is 270 plus 12, right? 282. And the 9. So 9, 2, and the 28 gets carried forward here. So 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1 carry, 11 means 1, 1 carry, 1 and then 2. 211629 is the product of these two numbers. And now your turn. You have to do 813 and multiply that by 443. So this is your DIY question. Apply the same method which I have done here, and let me know in the comments below whether this method is working for you or not.